how to clean your RAM and memory on your iPhone. This is my iPhone 11 series, so you can try this method for 11 Pro, 12 Pro etc. Sometimes your phone got slow, so you can also apply this method for this case. Go to your setting option, then go to accessibility to enable your task button. Go to task and turn off this button, this one. Now you need to shut down your mobile. Go to your general option and press shutdown. So you no need to power off your mobile. You need to press on this button and go to your home screen. Unlock your phone. Now if you try to open your browser or any apps, then you see it's reloading because your RAM and memory already cleaned. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.